Hello everyone, welcome to the BAT conference right here in the vibrant city of Barcelona. Today we have the privilege of being a part of BAT conference, which is organized by the students of GBSB Global.
Está bien.
It is a great pleasure and excitement to welcome you here. I'm so glad to see so many faces. We've been working together for 3 months among 14 creative teams, among 3 campuses on this task. BAT Conference 2024, with this great topic, Great Minds, Bright Futures, underlines fashion and sustainability vertical. They inspire each other through many decades, but this inspiration and this success also creates a lot of pollution, a lot of habits that we should change. And now let's enjoy the conference, let's enjoy the dialogue, let's enjoy the tasting and food, and of course a lot of networking. Let's the BAT Conference 2024 begin. Thank you.
Let's ask the students about their final projects and career aspirations.
My plans, I would say, are to go into the hotel industry.
So for now, I already do have a job. It's maybe a little bit connected to fashion. We do a search solution for, like, for example, Zara and Massimo Dutti.
So I really want to stay in Madrid, where I'm studying right now, and search like a job in the luxury business.
I'm looking for an internship right now. I would say in the events industry, because that's what I like the most.
We are here talking about sustainable and responsible tourism, and it's important to look at cities which might attract lots of people, and over-tourism might be a problem.
I'm still looking for a job in tourism, work with a company which do a lot of sustainable practices and provide tourism package.
So my final project is on textile recycling.
Wow.
So we kind of want to look into how people look at textile recycling, how we can improve it, what they might need, whether that's money straight up or whether more information.
Moving forward to the guest speakers and their insights on the sustainability.
My main thing is conscious consumerism, and also really helping brands to transform their supply chains into more sustainable practices.
Well, we apply a circular economy, and one of the things that specializes is the transformation of a waste material into something valuable. Our main residual waste is coffee bags, the youth of the coffee bags, and also there are coffee bags made of cotton.
Well, as we're going to talk about in the presentation we're going to give, the sustainability of Amara happens on a lot of levels. It's about the way we work with and take care of the land, the way we work with and take care of each other, and the connections that we make with other communities and other projects in Spain, Catalonia, and around the world. So there's a lot of different levels where developing better relationships helps us to sustain more into the future.
So we talked a lot today about the sustainability and how it can shape the business in luxurious, tourism and fashion industries. And we believe that it's a very important topic that we should talk about, learn from each other, and try to implement these useful methods to make our lives and the businesses around us more sustainable, to shape our future. Thank you for being a part of this amazing event, the BIT conference, and see you next year.